I am an audiologist. I work at the University of Iowa. I've been there for almost 15 years. 10 years ago, when we were doing standard cochlear implants before the innovation of the hybrid technology, a lot of patients were coming in and didn't have a lot of hearing on the contralateral ear. But now we've had expanded indications where we're implanting patients with more hearing.
Many of our patients are what we call bimodal users. They use a cochlear implant on one ear and a hearing aid on the opposite ear. That's something that's been fairly commonplace over about the last 10 or 12 years.
There's certainly been an evolution. We've learned a lot about hybrid hearing, the benefits of preserving that residual hearing, and being able to take advantage of implanting these patients when they're struggling with their hearing aids.
What we found is that if we can keep a hearing aid on the non-implanted ear, those people hear substantially better than they do with cochlear implants alone.
The Nucleus Hybrid Cochlear Implant System is the first FDA-approved device of its kind, really. We use word recognition scores to determine candidacy. They have to score between 10 and 60% on a CNC word, or consonant nucleus consonant word. And then in the contralateral ear, it can be up to 80%.
I really recommend bimodal fittings for every patient. We give everybody a chance to benefit from bimodal technology. And so if we're able to achieve a high level of performance with a cochlear implant on one ear and a hearing aid on the opposite ear, that patient's satisfied and we're satisfied with their hearing performance, then that's the technology that patient will use.
Yes, I can hear you. Keep going back more.
I can totally hear you perfectly.
Wow!
Yeah.
All the way back.
When we allow people to use the wireless microphone with their cochlear implant and then also with the Resound Links hearing aid where they can stream the sound from the mini mic to both devices at the same time, their performance improves by an additional 20 to 25 percentage points when we add the hearing aid in. Just unbelievable improvement in performance and noise.
Really what we're doing is closing a gap, essentially. And so this technology is providing them with frequency resolution where they need it, but at the same time preserving their low frequency information that provides a lot of temporal timing information.
It's been great having the Resound wireless products available for cochlear users. And with that in mind, I'm really excited about this new strategic alliance between Cochlear and Resound because they're aiming to be even more intentional in how they design technologies to work together with one another so that bimodal users will really have a seamless transition from their hearing aid to their cochlear implant technology.